Find and build your personal USP. This is the interest-based approach of career development. Think about your PO role. Is there something which brings you joy? Do you love usability or gaining insights from data? Or is it a topic you want to dive into, like AI? Developing into an area of special interest of yours will give you extra motivation and will increase your job satisfaction. But how do you lead your career towards the things you love? First, identify your special interest. Then, analyze the gaps between your skills and the skills needed to perform in your desired area. Pick one point and start developing. Repeat it and build your personal USP step by step. This way, you will differentiate from others because you are specializing. And because you do the things you love, you will increase your job satisfaction. Do you need help with growing your career? The professional development course for product owners by the Agilista can help you by building your personal USP. Enroll the course today.